What happens when Italian passion, aggressive performance, and modern luxury come together in one SUV? This is the 2027 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. And judging from this design, Alfa Romeo is clearly aiming for something far more exciting than an ordinary premium SUV. From its intimidating front fascia and muscular body, to its quad exhaust rear design and driver-focused interior, this Stelvio looks ready to challenge some of the world's best performance SUVs. Starting at the front, the Stelvio immediately makes a powerful impression. The famous Alfa Romeo triangular grille remains at the center, but here it has been transformed into a much larger and more aggressive design. Deep vertical elements create an intimidating appearance, while the illuminated Alfa Romeo lettering across the upper section gives the SUV a more futuristic identity. From the side, the design becomes cleaner and more elegant. The Stelvio maintains a long hood, athletic roofline, short rear overhang, and strong SUV proportions. Smooth body surfacing replaces excessive character lines, allowing reflections across the paint to emphasize the muscular shoulders and sculpted doors. Large black multi-spoke wheels fill the arches beautifully, while substantial performance brakes add another sporty detail. Dark window surrounds, tinted glass, and black lower trim create a sophisticated monochromatic appearance. Despite its sporty profile, there is still enough ground clearance to maintain the presence of a genuine SUV. Moving to the rear, things become even more dramatic. A thin LED lighting signature stretches almost completely across the tailgate and connects visually with the Alfa Romeo badge in the center. The widely spaced Stelvio lettering gives the tailgate a clean and premium finish. A sporty roof spoiler sits above the dark rear glass, while the lower section reveals the Stelvio's performance personality. The large black diffuser features aggressive vertical fins, accompanied by 4 circular exhaust outlets with 2 positioned on each side. Together with the broad rear shoulders and wide tires, this gives the SUV a seriously planted and powerful appearance. When it comes to performance, these images don't confirm the final mechanical specifications of the 2027 Stelvio. However, the aggressive styling, large brakes, aerodynamic details, and quad exhaust system clearly suggest a high-performance direction. A future Stelvio could combine powerful turbocharged performance with electrification to deliver stronger acceleration, immediate torque, and improved efficiency. Whatever powertrain Alfa Romeo ultimately chooses, maintaining the Stelvio's engaging driving character will be important. Sharp steering, responsive handling, and strong cornering performance are exactly what should separate this Italian SUV from more conventional luxury competitors. Inside, the Stelvio combines sportiness with modern luxury. The cabin is dominated by black materials with red contrast stitching, creating a sophisticated performance atmosphere. A digital instrument cluster sits directly ahead of the driver, while a wide infotainment display is integrated smoothly into the dashboard. The steering wheel has a sporty design, while the cockpit itself feels focused around the driver. Carbon fiber-style dashboard trim adds another performance touch, complemented by subtle red ambient lighting running across the cabin. So, what do you think about the 2027 Alfa Romeo Stelvio? Would you choose this Italian performance SUV over BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, or Porsche? And would you prefer the next Stelvio with a powerful gasoline engine, hybrid performance, or a fully electric powertrain? Tell us what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, share it, and subscribe to Car Review for more future cars, next-generation concepts, and automotive reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.